Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It's Tuesday, which I don't usually stream on, but I'm gonna hang out with my friend today, but that fell through. And we're gonna reschedule to Friday, which I was gonna stream on Friday. So I figured I'll stream on Tuesday. That's why we're here. I don't need an excuse to stream, I can just do it. But let me say hi to everyone who is here. It is the 10th of May of 2022, and we're back for yet another stream. Let's see. Marsha was first today. How you doing, Marsha? Good to see you. Koninggeist is also here, as is Mahamdi. Tofu foo 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 foo. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Dean Elsp is also here. Yes, it is a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday. A Tuesday. Arglek Slavic, hello, hello. Anton, good to see you again. Farmbang XP, welcome to the stream. Your friend stood you up? Yeah, well, he's busy, admittedly. Yeah, he does kind of freelance design work, and so, he forgot, and ended up having to do some stuff for a client today, so. We'll reschedule. It's all good. No hard feelings. But, yeah, so. Chicken dinner MOTD. Yeah, somebody sent that a couple of streams ago, and it hasn't changed. Power Defy, thank you for the bits. Appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Summersoft is also here. How you doing? One guy says the entire non-prod infrastructure at work has been down all afternoon because somebody messed up a DB migration. Oh no. Oh no. It's a... What does this mean? What does this mean, Marsha? The hell is a Jill sandwich? Tuesday ADC nom. Yeah, I don't have a nom emote. I don't know what it would be either. Rom XOGG, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Floss Drew, good to see you again. Oramis, how's it going? Power to Fire already said hi to you, but I'll say hi again. The Devil Kid is here, welcome back. We're always here because we got nothing else to do. Changing the MOTD costs 30 points. It's only 200. You have hundreds of thousands of points, Marsha. He doesn't know what that is? Oh god damn it. Is this gonna be something that fine. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to type it into Urban Dictionary. Oh, it's from Resident Evil? Oh, okay. I've never played Resident Evil. Alright. This feels less bad. My initial thought was much dirtier, like somehow is related to jacking it and jilling it, but it is not. So we're good. Is everyone seeing the first time chat from viewer notifications? Do other people see them? They're only supposed to be visible to mods. But do you see them, Deanels? Might be a bug. It might be a bug. But yeah. He's about to get liquid. Yeah, exactly. Right. You're incredibly lewd. Listen. It came from you, Marsha. I'm just level saying. Let's be real. We all got modded, yeah, right? Foster says, finally I'm not using introspection for my GraphQL schemas anymore. I can finally write some proper CI workflows now. Nice. You all see them? Oh, it's probably a bug. They're also visible to Twitch staff, so maybe they just didn't notice. Because Twitch staff are like special mods, essentially. Oh, I wonder if it shows up in the chat annotation. I wonder if it shows up in the chat annotations. I don't know how I would test it though. There's a tag for first chat. Oh, Twitch IRC tags first chat. What is? There's no way we're gonna find this. Care about this. Lotus, blah blah blah. Oh, here we go. 5 message tags. Color, display name, emotes, ID, mod, replies, whom ID, subscriber, user ID, user type. Whoa. I didn't know these 2 user types existed. It doesn't just say anything about it, but maybe, I mean, the docs are never up to date, so it wouldn't surprise me if it's just not there for whatever reason. I spent all day fighting with an internal build/release tool that is just making everything really difficult because I have many Python interpreters. Oh, why do you support a bunch of Python interpreters if you only run like 1? Rollers, hello. Only 3.4 hundreds of thousands. Jesus Christ, you have so many channel points. That is so little. One day you might have 5.8 hundreds of thousands. Holy shit, you have 500,000 channel points, Rollers? God damn. Guy says, I sent your pip import speed improvement video to another team at work, so maybe to get them to prioritize the request speed up. 16-second import? God damn. Also, the drilling it in the sandwich part, we might as well get an entire new Urban Dictionary. That's probably not a good idea. I don't think I'm gonna. I'm not gonna explain that one. I will let you search it. Yeah, that's so weird. I don't think it's supposed to do this. God, it must be chaos on any significantly large stream. Ethan, hello. Good to see you again. Chups the Max says create a new account and chat. That's so much work. First message 0. Oh. So if I wait, that's in everyone's message? Is that really a thing? Here, I'm going to verbose. Can someone send a message in chat? Oh, this is gonna move, isn't it? Oh yeah. Sure enough. Huh, so it's just not documented. Cool, very cool. Very cool. Love when Twitch does that. Are other Twitch badges sent as tags? Yeah, there's a badges thing. That's how our overlay works. That's how this little mini ASCII, well, UT of 8 badges work. Only 170k. Oh my god. I gotta find a way to crash the channel point market. How do you approach getting internal tools and things like that upgraded in a corporate environment? Well, so at Sentry, it's really easy because everything's open source, so I just upgrade them. I don't have to jump through any loops or hoops or whatever the hell. But it's Stripe, well, it's Stripe, Lyft, and yeah, part of Lyft. You would make the new dependency versions available internally by filing a ticket that somebody approved, and then you would upgrade after that. But yeah, you have an account you can use. Well, I'm pretty sure that first message thing is great value, so I don't even need to. We don't even need to test it. We can probably just put the code in place for it, and then if we bother, we might not even work on that. We'll do bits and channel point redeems and redeemed and /me and reconnect, and what else do we need to do? Oh, we need to do ping, and we need to do disconnect server. This is gonna be the easiest one, so we're gonna do that one first. This one is also going to be easy, so we'll do that one. This one is also easy. Yeah, we're gonna prioritize in roughly this order. Maybe this order. So we'll see. See what we do there. Wait, what was the other thing? Oh, first chatter. We might do first chatter. It's because we have the information now, so we can do it. Very efficient bandwidth usage. Yeah, oh my god, they must send just so many bytes that are literally just first chat 0. Hey, that's a wholesome thought. Hello, hello. Keep it going. I can send a first message from my bot. Okay. Alright, go ahead. Oh, it crashed. We saw it crash. Something about this causes a disconnect. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to... Wait, we saw a successful one up here. The same stuff. I think I might be sending these too quickly. Like, I think I'm supposed to send this, wait for this, and then send this. But right now, I just spam a bunch of shit and, yeah, and then we get the join message down here. I'm pretty sure there's a race in the startup here, so... Plain race. We'll try and fix that too. But yeah. Hey, what's up on Nightly? Hello. Surprise stream indeed. Jumps to Max, how's it going? Make bets, what are we betting on? Fireball Monkey, how's it going? Did you jump through the boops? No. Pari, hello, welcome back. Async these nuts, yeah. SMB1s, how's it going? Is it possible to integrate Twitch emotes in the terminal? Yes. First message equals 1. Okay, cool, good to know. Is it possible to have emotes in the terminal? Terminology, ampersand. Let me restart here and you can, oh, spam your emotes. Spam your emotes, chat. Like, I mean, there's an old Russian developer who you politely asked to upgrade packages. That's so funny. According to Stream Elements, there are 1.2 thousand messages per second. Oh my god. A lot of bandwidth for, I don't even send that many messages. Right? Why is your emote licking a knife? Set up my old laptop to teach my friend Python. Oh, that's cool. That's Windows 11 and not Linux? Well. Anthony will show you once he catches up on chat. Yeah. I'm a little behind. Imp named Slickback says, is this Django? It is not Django. It is, well, it's not really any particular framework, but you can check this out. Check this out here. There's where the code is. By her grace, welcome. Hello. Ran into anything like that when I did Twitch IRC stuff years ago. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've had this bug since I created this, but yeah, 1.2 gigs a day. That's crazy that Twitch spends like a gig of bandwidth on just that stupid little message. So fun. Then we got our emote wall with our fancy terminal. And we have By Her Grace. Welcome. Anthony loves Django. I've written a little bit of Django. Oh, speaking of Django, I did want to show you one Django related WTF I had today at work. So I noticed that there were a bunch of like random empty files in Sentry's codebase, and I was like, why are there empty files here? I'm just gonna delete them and see what happens. And when I deleted them, the tests failed. So apparently this file right here, tests/models.py, which was empty before, when you delete the empty file, it causes, yeah, our stuff has a lot of output. Causes, where's the actual test failures? It causes all of these tests to fail. It's just like, what? But apparently it's some like weird Django thing where if it doesn't see a models.py, it doesn't try and initialize a database. And so you have to make an empty one to have it work. But it's just, yeah. Load bearing empty file. So there's my one Django wackiness of the day. But yeah. But yeah. Configure to video that's dropping the bucket. Oh yeah, for sure. But still, it's a gig a day. That's quite a bit. You jailbreaked Django. Would that make it Django Unchained? Hey, what's up, Plasmorbs? Hello. Oh no, yeah, right. W Marama, hello. Welcome to the stream. You broke the back end. I mean, I don't know. Weirdo Django, yeah. A giga day? Wait, what? Why did you join Center with a different GitHub account? That contribution graph paper hands. Well, now I can have 2 contribution graphs that are better than everyone else. I'm kidding, of course. Yeah, I decided for 2 reasons. One, I didn't want Sentry emails to all go to my personal account, so that was the main reason. But also permissions models, like if the Sentry org has access to my GitHub account, that means they also have access to all of my open source projects and pre-commit CI and like a whole bunch of other stuff, which I just want to keep those separate. That way, if I work on stuff, like it's clear where the attribution is. It's clear where, like, you know, if I work on a personal project, I'm working on my personal account. If I'm working on a non-personal project, I'm working on my work account. So, but yeah, love me some load-bearing empty files. Shh, don't think about PEP 561. Oh yeah, yeah. Ethan, our celebrity in chat, is responsible for a whole shit ton of load-bearing empty files. I thought you were gonna say init.py, but that's pep 420. Python just has a lot of load-bearing empty files. I did exclude init.py when I was deleting those, but yeah. Break my backend, Marsha. The ultimate flex, right, Sigma Monkey? I mean, technically they don't have to be empty. Oh. Rails using .keep everywhere? Yeah, I've seen keep or .git keep is what I like to use, but IDOT type caused me all kinds of pain recently. Yeah, I'm wondering if now that there's a package metadata reading in the standard library, if we could come up with a different approach to PyTyped. Because, well, for instance, Bazel's layout PyType doesn't work, and single file distributions PyType doesn't work, and there's a few other cases. It doesn't work with Python Path and a few other things, but I don't know, maybe there's potential to make a superseding thing to PEP 561. Because, for instance, you know, all of my one file libraries are kind of sads, because even though they're typed, like, I'm not going to convert them to a package just to put a PyTyped file in there. But yeah, Bazel build, Bazel build, this thing. It's originally a Google project. But yeah, might be worthwhile to look into that. Yeah, I don't know, probably one of us should send something to the blah blah blah, the mailing list. The hard part is distribution does not equal package. Yeah, typing sig. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, I think it would need to have some way to list the modules or top level modules or something like that. TB Jean, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The blah 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 body once told me the world is gonna hold me. Yeah, right. What's the? There's like a million parodies of that song, right? There's the one that's somebody, 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 somebody. Hope you can skip signing into a Microsoft account or setting a PC. Yeah, I don't know. Password says just use pprint for each data type. That way it's easy. Green, stir, blue, int. What? What? Could the typing thing be added as part of setup.choc? Yeah, that's basically what I'm proposing. Is some way to represent it as packaging metadata. Century. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Surely that's one of you in chat trolling, right? Yeah. Anyway, we restart the bot now in non-verbose mode. Oh, we missed one chat message. Rip. Rip. TBL Jean says, hi, how long would it take me to learn Python? 3 hours a day. Do you have prior programming knowledge? How quickly do you learn things? Have you ever learned a spoken language before? No prior knowledge. And I don't know that you could ever say that somebody truly knows everything about it. 3 spoken languages, okay. So at least in some research points to learning a spoken language being similar to learning a programming language, but not quite the same. It's more like learning to paint than learning a language. But the thing is, like, you'll never truly master anything. There's you know, infinite realm of things about Python that I don't know. But you will learn enough to be able to figure them out. In theory. Snooze Junkie, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But I don't know, 3 hours a day is a pretty decent commitment. You could probably, I don't know. You could probably build a functioning project in a few weeks at the very least, and you could probably say you're like very good at something, you know, a few months. I don't know. Infinite years to learn Python. Anthony still doesn't know Python completely. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It'll take as long as it takes. Everyone is different when it comes to learning. Yeah, that's true also. The problem is PyType allows for specific sub-packages as typed. I think you'd need to enumerate all the package top levels. Yeah, that makes sense. Anthony paints code. Anthony the painter. I mean, I have actually done paintings. Not just my A2EC paint, but I haven't painted in a very, very long time. But I used to make a lot of art when I was a kid in school. I liked art. I just don't have time for it anymore. Andrew started learning Python today. Nice. Welcome, welcome. I might draft an email to typing say I do have at least a month off from work now. Nice, nice. Anthony's the Bob Ross of programming. Happy little test failures? No. Snooze Junkie says, damn, I love that there are people who stream programming / DevOps stuff. It needs to take over the chat and let's play genres. Yeah. It's pretty cool. I've been doing it for, what, 4 years now? Almost coming up on 4 years. It'll be 4 years in August. But yeah, it's, I enjoy doing it. And chat shows up and, you know, presumably enjoys watching sometimes. Twitch has a WebSocket-based connection. Yeah, I wanted to look at what it actually does. Oh, I don't know how you would connect to it though, because you need tokens. Yeah, I don't quite know why this is useful. But I used to do a lot of art, scrolls through shitty MS Paint. I used to do actual art. I was showing my shitty art. my shitty MS Paint art. I actually have, let's see if I can find, let me try and find one tablet drawing that I did a long time ago. Where am I gonna look for that? Oh, 2011 maybe? No. 2010? Oh, maybe. View. Large icon. Oh, they're all bitmaps because I was dumb. These are for when I was really little. When is this from? I believe I was 12. Oh, that's actually what this looks like. Oh, this is the low res version of it. This is when I was playing with shading. It's not particularly good. Like, I had like a huge art folder. Where did it go? Oh. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna find it. I don't have time for that. Still on a painting in kindergarten. I still have an A2 sheet of a single color for all the colors that were in kindergarten. Nice. We just for shitposting? Yeah. The Java library use it? What? Weird. My teacher would say we have to color out everything, so I just covered my painting with a single color 5-head. Nice. Anthpunk is a hentai artist? No. Even if you're a lazy human being and want to consume content after work, it's best to consume this type of content. It keeps you wondering why aren't you putting in the extra hours a week to learn and develop your skills? This is what I'm struggling with, making the time to learn outside of working hours. Yeah, that was actually the original reason I started streaming, was like a way to set aside time to work on open source software. But yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right, so we don't have any open source stuff to look at since yesterday. Other than my hilarious load-bearing empty file, because yeah, I didn't do any open source while I was at work, and I went to bed after stream yesterday. So, but what we're going to continue working on today is my overlay. Oops, not that one. We gotta figure out. We gotta undelete these files as well to figure out what we're supposed to do here. But let me show you what we have so far and where we need to fix stuff. And we'll start looking into how to fix stuff. Localhost 9001. No? Is that not? Oh, I ran the bot. Whoops. That was not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this. Fortunately, no one chatted in the middle of it. Okay, now you can chat. Come on, chat. Something. Anything. Let's go. Now we're testing stream delay. There we go. Okay. This is what we have working so far. But bits do not work. And I don't think /me works. Action! We're gonna fix that. I connected to localhost, but I can't post messages on it. Smack my bongo. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Hey, what's up, Afro Senpai? Welcome, welcome. And Drokid. And Daydeemed. Hello, hello. Yeah. There's actually a weird character here, too. There's like a weird null character. I think it's \1 or something like that. Wrong chat? It's all good. It's all good. A lot of first timers today. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Well, usually there's this many first timers, but I don't think you guys get to see that message usually. So, I think it's just because you guys can see the message. Well, I don't know. Twitch.tv/anthonywritescode. Yeah. Interesting. Mine appears to be running on localhost 8080. Oh, I mean, I picked this port. That's why I set it to 9001. How are WebSockets implemented with this? So there is a little bit of JavaScript. A little bit of JavaScript, which basically connects to the socket. Oh, this is a thing that I don't need anymore. That's old. Yeah, it was supposed to bump up. It was supposed to be like a counter so that it could reconnect, but we don't actually need this. Anyway, it listens for a WebSocket message. It JSON parses it. Why did I do it in this order? And then it builds some HTML, and then it sticks it into the DOM at the bottom. So right now, it is a memory leak. I should make it eventually delete messages, but yeah. Wait, /me emote? Did somebody do that? Did it break? What? But yeah, that's how it works. Harmless passerby, hello, hello. Tuesday stream, it is indeed, day teams. Addison, welcome back. /me emotes. Oh. Huh. Well, that's pretty funny. Why? Oh, it's my brother. Yeah, so Twitch must give the offsets. Huh. Weird. Yeah, that probably means that that this thing is broken too. Oh. Yeah, so if you do /me AOC7. Wait, why does this one work? Why does this one work? What? What? Hmm. No, that doesn't work, but it also doesn't render the emote. Because Twitch needs white space after it. Audrey31 says, I was wondering how many JavaScript files I can run at the same time with 18 gigs of RAM. I counted that if I run 16,000 JavaScript files with approximately 1,000 lines at a time, the RAM should get out of memory. Am I thinking right? It depends. Depends on what those JavaScript files are doing. But like the number of lines of code doesn't necessarily translate to how much memory it uses. One JavaScript file with 1 billion if statements, yeah. Okay, that's weird, but we gotta fix that as well, I guess. Emotes with /me. We would probably handle both these at the same time. Interesting. That's interesting. Somebody once told me to eat some macaroni. Yeah, I bet they did, Marsha. Does the data come from pulling an API or something else smarter? Which piece of data? Which piece of data, Plasmorbs? Oh, the emote info? Yeah, it comes from the chat message itself. So Twitch puts a little non-standard field at the beginning of the IRC message that has the information in it. How much RAM does a regular game runtime for a GPU? It's kind of hard to like put a number on something like that, because it depends. And it depends like what's loaded in the game and like what's actually happening, and you know, their sprites are done in a particular way, or their voxels or cubes or all sorts of different stuff. They actually generated a Python file with tens of millions of if statements, and the bytecode compiler sig-memmed after consuming 15 to 20 gigs. There's actually a fun. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to search for this anymore. Can I still search this, or does cityhoods.py? Oh, those hoods. This a thing? Fuck, I don't know how I'm gonna find this. Anyway, the TLDR of it is Yelp had this file called cityhoods.py, and it had this very, very large literal in it. And when Python would compile the bytecode for that really large literal, it would leak like a gigabyte of memory. And it was still broken in like Python 3.6. Foster says, you mentioned that you used Stripe Alice to incorporate pre-commit CI. Did you take legal consultation before going to them? Are they good? I did not take legal consultation. But it was pretty convenient. You just pay them like a couple $100 a year, and it's already paid for itself in the amount of AWS credits that they gave you. It was super easy. I don't know. You only need one recursive JavaScript file to run on memory. That's true. Yeah. Yeah. Mahasha. Super says, what is the best way to communicate in real time between two separate Python processes? Yeah, probably what Ethan suggests. Yeah, sockets, named pipes. Yeah. If they are the same interpreter, you can probably get away with pickle. Make a gigabyte of memory, doesn't that mean it's 100 gigabyte over regular flow? Yeah. Yeah, so if we didn't pre-compile this Python file, our servers melted. So one time I fucked up the PyC compiler and our servers melted. Yeah. You need a single create React app to blow up you and your friends' computers. Yeah. I didn't know Windows had named pipes. I don't know that I don't think it has named pipes. I think it has normal pipes. But actually, how does shared mem work on Windows? I don't even know if there's a concept of that, but problem is here in Switzerland, the capital requirement for Inc. is 100K. Oh. I just have an LLC. I guess technically not incorporated. It's a company, but it is not an Inc., I guess. Yassine! Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Anyway, I don't... Oh! I did find it. Oh, it's because Buck created it, not me. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Oh, are file attachments gone now? Oh no, they're still here. Let's see. I didn't want to do that. Let's see if it's still broken. Curl location foo.tgz list r-xf foo.tgz. Not gonna open that with Babby because it'll be sad. Even Nano is sad. Okay, anyway, this is what this file looks like. Just a whole bunch of garbage. Oh, my computer is so sad. WC dash, is it C? CH? Can't do this. Okay, it's an 18 megabyte file. Yassine, thank you for the resub. Yeah, that's pretty expensive. It's pretty expensive. But thank you for the resub. It's 16 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. There's like a time percent something in here. Oh, what are you? Oh shit, did I the wrong thing? Yeah. Where's the one with time? Oh, here's me. Where's the actual repro.py? It's probably this one, right? Yeah. Okay, so the oldest Python app, probably Python 3.5. Oh god, this is so slow. I also find it interesting that it's variable. It's not always the same thing. But yeah, you can see that there's like 40 megabytes of memory here that are just not not accounted for. Let's try in 311. Oh my god, it's so slow. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? What is going on? Damn, that was way slower. Also using way more memory. What about in this case? Yeah, why does this use so much more memory than Python 3.5? That's kind of wild. What about 310? Thanks to Jake! Thank you for the resub at 23 months. Yeah, holy shit, you're about to get to 2 years. How you doing? Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Holy fuck. This is so slow. But also 311 looks better than 310, but only just so. How did this get so bad? I bet this is peg parser. I bet peg parser is mad. I bet if we do 3.8, it'll be faster. I'm gonna use this sub to keep track of when COVID happened. Yeah, right. Even this is pretty big. It's not as big as 310 though, right? Like almost a gig of resident. Is yeah, it's like 10x larger. Probably a bug in the pig parser. I don't know. Import numpy as MP. What follows after that? That's almost certainly a memory leak. Yeah. Bunksaur the fucksaur. That's a new one. I don't think I've heard that one before. Hey, what's up to John Mega? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. This should have been 22 months. Oh no, did you lose your sub? Oh yeah, well you were gone for like 6 months. But welcome back. Good to see you again. Denzel V. Hello, hello. Not sure if any other Europeans here care about Eurovision, but how the fuck did Norway get to the final? Is that a football tournament? Tournament. I can words. I know how to speak. I'm not sure, but I totally like the new raw view. I enjoyed the new flashbang for us dark theme users. Wait, which thing? Raw view on GitHub? Oh. Well, yeah, it's just the plain text file. It's whatever your default theme is. It's probably taking over then. But yeah, weird. It looks like it got way worse in Python 3.10. Like, I don't know why it consumes so much more memory. I bet it's like line cache or something. It's a singing competition? What? What? Okay, anyway. Yeah, memory leak because of PyC-compile. Anyway, I want to show you guys that. Glad I can find the end. Okay, cool. Let us start working on the actual thing. Yeah, so we can already see chat died here. Maybe we do this here. Yeah, I think that'll be a reasonable set of things to do today. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm pretty sure I can discard this. I can bring these back because they don't actually matter. I'm gonna do this. Git reset bot plugins. Okay. What do? All right, we don't need you anymore. What are you, Patch? Don't need you anymore. See through the pie. I hope we don't need you anymore. Okay. Hang. So I believe that's handled here, and we just need to do this. Overlay. I think this is what we need there. The problem is I'm just gonna put a print in there. Problem is we have to wait a long time before that to actually trigger. So we're gonna leave that and let it run for a while. I'm gonna assume that this is done. So let's work on /me next. It shows your Americanness. Eurovision Song Contest is only the largest song competition in the world and only been going since 1956. Holy shit. And speaking as a cynical Brit, it's usually shit. That's funny. Tofu says, gotta jump, but must go enjoy the warm outdoors. Yeah, I should go outside too. Although I already went outside today. I went for a bike ride, which was nice. Yeah. Eurovision is pretty much the best thing on TV, which admittedly isn't saying much, but it's pretty good. Outside of hell, it's over. It's 95? Holy shit. Fire Grace, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Following for when I gain enough experience to know what you're going through. On my way to bed now. Thanks for the stream. Hope to see you again. Sounds good. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you hanging out and lurking while while I fumbled around and talked about nonsense. Songfish says, I see you're proving they have more than 2 shirts today by streaming today. Yes, but this one's not a button-up shirt, so you could still say that I'm not proving that I have more than 2 button-up shirts. 37, Jill Mega? 37, is that right? 30 ENF. Oh. Well, that's interesting. Why did... I'm thinking it captured me because this is going to give me really sketchy image results. Oh. Gave me the answer. A little bit high. Close? VPN? No. Nope. I don't know why I did that. That's kind of weird. That was sus? Yeah, it was kind of sus. Body temperature is 37°C. Oh. Yeah. Right. That would make sense. That would make sense. Oh, I just got water in my eye. How did you even do that, bottle? Okay, /me. Let's see how /me is handled elsewhere. Oh, okay. So we just handle emotes after slicing the method. The method? The method. Bug. All right. Okay, so we need to handle that. So. So I'm gonna let this keep running in the background. We can actually start as many days as we want, so it's not super necessary to do this. I'm thinking that we should just change this so that this has the right value, and then there's another thing for is action, or is me. So maybe we'll do that. Yeah. Is me Boolean. Boop 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 boop. Message. Bloop. Match. Message. Starts with me prefix. Hmm. Actually, there's a chance this fits on one line. Nope. Okay. Is that gonna fuck things up? Well, clearly, if we do that. What are you mad at my pie? Uh, 157, no quiet. Oh fuck, it's just gonna crash. Oh, it crashed. Ah, god damn it. Uh, should have done that first. It has incompatible expected stir. Right, because it is just a local function here. Okay, we're gonna restart you. Then hopefully we'll get a ping again. Feels like it'd be better to just add a new JSON property for the /me action and pass in the properly parsed message. Is that what I'm doing? Yeah, I think that's what I'm doing. Great minds think alike. Okay, yeah. It's just this is exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, we haven't fixed it yet though. Wait, I thought we did fix it. Wait. Wait, what? I thought I fixed it. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Uh. Oh. I dumb. I dumb. Kinda wanna. Well, we'll restart it. Okay. That kind of works, but we want it to render. We want to render like /me does, like we do here. The old way of doing the /me, which I like this way better than the new one. The new one's kind of dumb. Oh, also you can /me. Is this a /me? Yeah. Sick, let's go. We have fixed this. We have not finished this yet, though. If you search Chrome, Edge will make a pop-up telling you there's no need to download a new web browser. Wait, really? That's wild. That's wild. Actually, this might fit on one line now. Oh, just short. Okay. I gotta do this. How am I going to do this? Message equals message is me equals is me. Yeah. In Roost, you don't have to do that. Well, such as Roost. You don't have to do that in JavaScript either. You would just do this, I think. Right? Yeah. which is kind of convenient. Unfortunately, in Python, it makes a set, so can't have that syntax in Python. Could be that I had to run through a 10-page consent window when opening Edge for the first time. Oh. Maybe it's because it's still Chrome underneath and nobody likes Chrome? Yeah. Yeah. In computing where Unicode is used. I'm not sure I understand, Andrew. If you could elaborate, I can probably answer. Okay, how do I want to do this? Because I basically want /me to render I mean, right now what it is it's just a message that has the color attribute. But I would just make the whole message have the color attribute. What? Hello? Oh, now you're off screen. Yeah, like that. And then italics and star. So Unicode is a poor way to call the encoding. I would recommend you say UTF-8 instead of Unicode, because this actually refers to a family of encodings. UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32, UCS2, and UCS4. Whereas you probably want to be specific and talk about a very specific encoding. But ideally, you would use UTF-8 everywhere. Unless you need fixed length characters. Sorry, fixed with characters. Fixed length. I guess length works. This song's annoying. Okay, next one. Got a weird ding in the middle and I don't like it. My brain still isn't working at all, so I'm just gonna take my meds and watch something that doesn't require thinking. Okay, Marshall. Well, thank you for stopping by. Yassine says they forced me to learn functional programming, Haskell to be specific, and other schemes look at me, I am different. Took me 2 hours to know what /equals is. Not an in-place assignment. Is that a does not equal operator? Interesting. Interesting. Unicode is not encoding, it's a character set, yeah. Sorry, I think you meant UTF-7 everywhere. Fucking UTF-7. What a blurst encoding. UTF-7, actually the worst. Actually the worst. Now I can click on this in the middle. Alright, so we probably need to communicate. Oh, it sent ping. It survived. Yay, we don't need to watch this anymore. Cool. Get rid of you. Okay, cool. But we know this one is definitely done. Cool. So we need to handle /me in 2 places. We need to handle it in the client and in the server. So let's do the server first, since that's probably the easiest. We'll just put it here. Is me message dot is me. Okay, so that sends a little bit more data now. Now we can work on the client side stuff. Chico Codes! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. How you doing? /men, yeah. That's what I wanted to do. Doing alright? That's good, that's good. Good to hear. Where's the color part? Oh, here. If what? If data dot, why am I writing it like it's Python? If data dot is me, then we need to do message dot style dot color equals data dot color, and message dot style dot is italic a font style? Text decoration italic? No. Font style italic. Okay. I think that's the right property. Can't quite see it. And then we need to stick a star in there. Message dot append child document dot create text node space star space. We'll try that and see what that does. Oh, no one did a slash me. Hello, AWC7. Nice. That seems legit. That seems pretty good. Yeah, the overlay is coming along. UTF-7 IE 7-bit ASCII? No, there's a different encoding. There's like a variable with... There's a... Yeah, it's an obsolete variable length encoding. It's super cursed. But there's a whole family of XSS attacks where you convince the browser that the page is actually UTF-7, and then it misinterprets ASCII characters that wouldn't have been escaped as script tags. There's like a real fun set of XSS with UTF-7. But UTF-420, right? Anything it meant today? It's just a innocent typo. Are you switching from terminal chat to the browser? No, I'm trying to replace this buggy piece of shit over here. See how there's no messages here? It just decided, oh, those messages go bye-bye. No messages for you. We're fixing that. We're making that shit go away. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Anything Joes? Hello. How do you UF Python on a PowerShell? I don't know if there's Control D. I think you have to exit, like Summersoft says. With colors, yes, indeed. Wait, I missed your message. There we go. Nice. UTF 420 though, yeah. Oh god, that's horrible. Yeah, isn't that great? Why can't we learn to deprecate things properly? But there's probably some computer from like 1940 that is using... Why did it say bye? Did it disconnect? Can somebody send a message? I can send a message. Why did it say bye? Started, bye. Oh, you know what happened? This is the WebSocket connection from the first one. This is when I refreshed. Okay, I understand now. I got it. Getting sick of HGraph at work. I'm using Vim 5 to work with Python 2.7. What's the current version of Vim? What version of Vim do I have? I probably have Vim 5, right? Why is there so much garbage here? Oh, I'm using Vim 8. Why does Vim link limp Ruby? Maybe I don't want the answer to that. Maybe I don't want the answer. Vim links libruby. Wild. Why do we keep getting this is the same artist of the last song we skipped. They have an annoying phone call in the middle. Why would you do this? Why would you make your songs annoying? It's not good. Obsolete corporate programmers. This doesn't hurt me because I can't read. Yeah. But those computers from the 40s don't control anything important. Only airplanes and banks. Yeah. Is this on GitHub? Yeah, if you do Bangbot. I haven't pushed any of it yet, but yeah. So your URL uses ASCII 8 or 16 UTF. So the URL uses 7-bit ASCII. You can actually put any arbitrary encoding in a URL, but most web servers will not be okay with it. And particularly, oh man, we used to have this whole set of redirecting middleware at Yelp to fix misencoded URLs, because like there was some like flavor of Firefox in like the early 2010s that only misconfigured URLs if you were in Spanish or something. Like, I forget if it was Spanish or something else, but one locale flavor of browsers would send the wrong encoded URLs. And yeah, well, we didn't want the website to just crash for them, so we made a whole bunch of work to make that work. Why does Windows 11 ship with TikTok installed? I don't know. Your Vim isn't linked to Ruby? Did you build it yourself? I like how this also has like a random build directory in it. Clearly not a repeatable build here. But yeah, anyway. Okay, I think that means that /me is working. So now we try and fix the join race, which I don't know what it's supposed to do, but oh, you have the OpenSUSE Vim. God, OpenSUSE, you poor soul. So, oh yeah, of course that's gonna happen. OpenSUSE? Okay, but like very frequently, of course now it doesn't happen. Did I upgrade Windows? No. There we go. But pretty frequently this happens. I don't know why. But I suspect I'm supposed to negotiate the login in a way that I'm not doing right now. Let's look at what TMI does. Because surely they're doing it right. Right? Oh, it's Alka. They were in chat the other day. Did this chat die? Oh, this chat's fine. Chat's fine. But yeah, I've not upgraded Windows. I'm still on Windows 10. So OpenSUSE worse or better than Rel? Yeah, Rel is basically hell. Hey, what's up, Danio? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Panics in JavaScript? Yeah. Emoticons don't work anymore for a long time. Fix it, please. Please pay attention that emoticons are completely broken at the moment. Fucking wild. Fix, please. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But huh. I think if I search for 6697, I'll find it. Nope. Let's see if we search for join or caprac. Let's do caprac. Oh, they use the WebSocket connection. Ugh. Why does everyone use the WebSocket connection? Oh. Elsif is Justin Fan. As Schmoopy. The fuck? What is this? Justin Fan Regex. What? What the fuck is this? Oh god. Oh god. What the fuck? Press X to doubt on this, but okay. Lol. And why didn't they npm install is integer? Clearly. And then I'm gonna stop reading this file because it's just gonna piss me off. What else can we look at? I don't know, maybe if we just go to GitHub and search for twitch.tv 6697, right? In code. Here's a roost one. Here's someone wrote them a Haskell. Interesting. This one sends password and then nickname. Oh, mine does that too. Oh. It's cursed, yeah. Spaghetti regex. There's also Haskell, and if they're running Haskell, they know what they're doing, right? Yeah. Is Haskell? Yeah. I can kind of understand what's going on here. What the fuck do you think this is? IPC.new user. That's wild. Liftio. What's Liftio? Import qualified IPC. Doesn't compile. Oh, they're poor person. A disaster. Well, maybe you shouldn't have written it in Haskell. Here we go, IPC. Alright, I have lost my faith in this one. I'm gonna not look at the Haskell one. ICP on new user. Ormus. Just Dark, hello, welcome. Okay. Okay, so theirs looks kind of like mine. Hey, what the fuck is this? I don't send that. I don't think I need it though. But I do passnick and then caprec. Although they do caprec before join. They also have cap end. What? Hi, processor. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What exactly are you looking for? I suspect there's something wrong about what I'm doing here because 1 out of 5 times it just immediately disconnects me. And I don't know why it immediately disconnects me. I would like to figure that out and then squash that bug. I suspect that what's happening is I am supposed to receive a message in between one of these. And it just so happens to race, and I win the race most of the time. But, yeah, like, let's see what they do here. They connect. Send all. Mute stream iter messages. Well, I just send them all. And then they read from the server. Okay, so theirs looks a lot like mine. Wait, what is this if else? If false. Oh. Okay, well, very clearly this is all dead code and I have just lost all trust in this individual. Oh, I see. They were trying to roll their own like I did, and they might have run into the same problem that I did. And then they just decided to use a library to do this. Minibot IRC roost GitHub. Is this the one that I want? MPL, is this one of those licenses that I'm okay with? Weak copy left. Oh, no, it's one of these ones that I can't look at. Or that I refuse to look at. Alright, anyway, on to the next one. Oh shit. Let's do let's write a Twitch chat bot in Bash. What could go wrong? Jesus Christ. Holy fuck. We found some actual insanity on GitHub. My god. Looks like they were learning asyncio and we're like, nah, fuck it, we're gonna write this in Bash. What the fuck? Another IRC client? Yeah, I mean. Wait, but they also wrote it in Python, so. Ah, I see they are an individual of taste. Does it have a license? No. Want to put bets on whether this actually connects? Huh. Looks like there's a OAuth token there. I'm kind of curious if it connects. I hope they've rotated their token. Hackerman? I mean, I'm just curious if it works. Touch config dans JSON. Under that. I don't remember all the things that are supposed to go in here, so we're just gonna do this until it. Missing 7 required arguments. Okay. Now we're cooking. Username. Something. Channel. OAuth token. Client ID. This is. Might not have that one. YouTube API key. Empty string. The YouTube playlists. I think this is a Wiktionary. Iron now API key. Also empty string. Should I be doing this? I feel like I shouldn't be doing this, but at the same time I'm so curious. I actually don't think we need client ID to connect. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Their token is live. Whoops. Do they have a Twitch channel? See if they've streamed in a while. Watch them be live right now. Their channel is just straight up fucking deleted. Their bot is still alive though. Oh man. Oh man. Bad hacker man. Hey, what's up, J-Man? Welcome back. John, everyone. Good to see you. Lambs is back from vacation. How you doing? Good to see you again. 7 required arugula leaves? What? What does that mean? Of course it's a Go programmer. Time to ban Anthon. Crunchy Lumpia! Hello, hello! Good to see you again. Welcome back. This is why you don't store your OAuth tokens on GitHub? Yeah. Right. Anyway. I already don't trust the rest of their code, but let's look at it, I guess. Camel case go file. Yep. Okay. Hmm. The fuck do they need an X509 key pair? Insecure skip verify true. What? What is going on here? Yeah, they just spam all the messages at once too. Huh. Explain text passwords? Yeah. Do we tell them somehow an issue? I mean, if you guys want to, here you go. Here's the repo. I'm not gonna bother. It's too much work. Uh, secure Twitch IRC address. What? What are you supposed to be? You know what we're gonna do instead? We are going to go to SourceGraph and we're gonna search this domain name instead. And then this will sort by stars. So in theory, we can find something that's less shit. Right? Surely? Hmm. They send caprec first. Okay, interesting. Caprec pass, Nick. And then they join. They do join last. I don't think that's going to make a difference, but let's try that. Maybe caprec first. Oh, I added the wrong one. I should not have two ways to do this, though. Okay, that clearly doesn't fix it, because it also just died. My spam bot sends pass user Nick in that order. It might be just as broken as yours. Oh, in the same order? This order? I mean, it clearly works some of the time. I just don't know why it disconnects me sometimes. Really annoying. Like, I wonder if I read line in the middle of these. Like, what if I do... Okay. That one disconnects me? Connection reset. Okay, so that's definitely not. Definitely not okay. Let's do after this. So that worked. Hey, what's up, iSatisfied? Hello, hello. It doesn't work. Okay, let's put this here. That's weird. This is so fucking weird. I don't understand why. How's WebSockets going? They're going well. If you type in chat, they show up here with badges and emotes and even slash me. But there's some like weird connection race sometimes that I don't understand. But now it hasn't reproduced since I moved that one down. Is that it? Have we fixed it? Oh, okay, no we haven't. Like maybe I just make a little loop and call that good? Problem solved, JK, yeah. Immediately not solved. But and how do I do this? Like I kind of want it to just reconnect. But I don't know the best way to structure that in async IO. Like in theory, I could just retrieve reader and writer, and then in here I'll retrieve it again, and make that function that retrieves them do this nonsense. And also handle quietness. In theory. Anthony has arms. I always have arms. What do you mean Anthony has arms? What? Kinda? What? What do you mean, Quasi? Config, and boolean. Virus, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Is that a pickup line? Not sure it's working. Hey, baby, do you have arms so I can hold you down? Is that what it's supposed to be? What? What? Hey, baby, you like my arms? What? I don't know what you could possibly mean by these things. That escalated quickly. I was just thinking about the Taking Back Sunday song. That is where that came from. Long. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Surely we don't need all this shit, right? Boop. And then we return the reader and the writer. Yeah? Why to send has incompatible type stir? Oh. Duh. Missing positional argument in message. What? Oh yeah, we never fixed this. Is me equals false. Channel equals this. Info equals this. I'm pretty sure this is broken. Pretty sure this doesn't work. Which we gotta fix before the sponsor stream. Oh yeah, sponsored stream. When do you guys want to do the sponsor stream, chat? We're gonna be doing more WebSocket-y stuff, but for other different overlays. Right now, I can't do it right now. I gotta tell the contact in advance. How did I have the exact same voice in my head when I typed that? What are you doing? We are. I will show you. Find the tab where it's open right now. Is it not open? Maybe it's. We are making a chat overlay. So if we send messages and chats, any messages, will end up in here. Am I getting Popeye vibes? Do you lift or you just type 300 words per minute? Yeah, right? Right. Who's the sponsor? Azure, Microsoft. Can't ask Twitch chat what they want. All we want is feet and hot tubs. Alright, chat, when are we doing the feet and hot tub stream? Fuck. Okay, but because I'm pretty sure this doesn't handle coloring. Python 3.11 launch party? The beta just came out. Why do I type what? Python 3.11 release date. I think it's like November or something. This is not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. October. Well, a little far out. Summer's right around the corner. I know. Oh, the squishy ones work here too. I mean, of course they work. Why wouldn't they? But okay, so I think I can just do reader writer equals await nect config quiet equals quiet. And get rid of this. I want to kill all of this code. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. I feel like it can't be that necessary. Can't wait to witness Azure Functions OBS overlays. I mean, I think it's gonna be cool. I think it's gonna be cool. Maybe you all don't. And that's fine too. You don't have to think it's cool or not. Wyatt, no. How does one stay motivated? I always seem to be driven by promotions, and once I get them, I kind of lose the wind in my sails. I know that feel. I don't know. Work on stuff that you're interested in. What the fuck? Why are you not crashing now? Oh! I think it might have crashed there, but I missed it because I Control-C it too early. Maybe this is just so slow to start up. I gotta wait a little bit longer in between them. I've seen edited emotes not work on some. Well, they work fine on mine. I've seen animated emotes not work on some too. Particularly like the one where it does the like overlay thing. That one doesn't work. Are there any requirements for the sponsor stream we need to consider? Yes, there are a few things that I need to do differently than normal. Let me read the things that we can't do. We need to post the code of conduct link. I need to mention that it is sponsored. I cannot use any logos. There will be a link that I will share that you guys should click on. Because they are using that to gauge whether the stream was successful or not. You should click on my sponsored link when that happens. It's basically just gonna be a link to some documentation. It's not really, I'm not gonna ask you for money. I have to keep chat windows not shown on screen because it saves their editor from having to blur them. Which is kind of funny because last time this was on screen a bunch and they just forgot to blur it. Maybe they didn't know it was chat because it was on the terminal. I have to turn off music. At least in the recording, I need to turn off music, but I already do that anyway. Other than that, it's the same as last time. I have to show their code of conduct once an hour. Yeah, that's basically it. So no, working on WebSockets. Working on WebSockets, but avoiding the chat. Yeah, we're gonna try and do like the subscription dialogues and not the chat ones. Because the thing with the chat stuff is you need a persistent server running, and serverless is event driven, not persistent. So we're gonna be doing a, well, the plan is the plan is to have two serverless functions, one of them listening on a webhook, the other one being a WebSocket, and we'll connect to that is the plan. Is Noodle considered a logo? Oh no, they just mean like I should not use a Microsoft logo anywhere. But yeah. Manhart, hello, welcome back. 311 will be a beautiful disaster. I don't think it'll be that bad. I haven't seen anything significant that causes mass breakage, but we'll see. That's so lame. I mean, it kind of makes sense. Who's the sponsor? Microsoft. Big ol' M. Can you use an Oracle function for the serverless function? Yeah. The point is to use a thing. Does Sentry not care? Yeah, no, they don't care. I made sure to run it by them, even though they don't have any jurisdiction over what I do in my free time. So, Portugal, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But speaking of Sentry, I need to get a chunk of work that I can do contiguously But I got the green light from marketing to stream work. So that's pretty cool. They're also hiring a developer relations person, so I might be doing a whole bunch of content with Century DevRel, so that would be kind of cool too. But yeah, they were like super excited. They're like, "Oh, you wanna work on work stuff and have people be interested in your work stuff and potentially click on recruiting links while you're streaming? Yo, that sounds fucking good. Let's go." But yeah, so that'll be kind of cool. What does developer relations do? What's a good way to describe what developer relations does? They're kind of like developer outreach. They like do talks and articles and content, and they also do like feedback from like users and stuff. I don't know, something like that. John MV1. Oh, I already said hi to you. How's it going? Real paid work on stream? Yeah. You should stream Sentry work in the sponsored stream. Double dipping. Yeah, that would be wild. Hey, what's up, Whale Walker? Hello, hello. Sentry stream will be awesome. Yeah, it should be pretty cool. DroKit says, question about engineering and social media. How should a software engineer in a corporation represent themselves online? Where should they be careful identifying their employer and projects? It depends on what sort of privacy you care about. I know a bunch of people that don't talk about their work at all. Don't even tell people where they work. Don't even tell people their name. And like, they take that stuff a lot more seriously. As for representing a company, you don't ever want to do that unless you have gotten that approved by your PR department. Because generally they don't want you talking to, reporter type people, and they don't want you representing your own personal opinions under the name of the company, unless you have approved things to do that. And some examples of that are like giving talks at conferences. Usually they want to be like, oh yeah, we sent this individual here to give this talk, blah blah blah. Prime. No. Gotta bring Chad on stream. Who's Chad? Why do I not remember who Chad is, Manhart? Who's Chad? DevRel is another name for a dev evangelist? Yeah, it's kind of the same thing. Yeah. My name's Upin. I never mentioned my company. It's not hard to find, so I don't know how much helps to not mention them. Yeah, yeah. I mean, like, I mention my company, but I also, like, don't say, as a representative of Sentry, blah, 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 blah. All my thoughts are my own, yeah. I'm pretty sure that has no legal standing and isn't required, even if it did. But fine. This is just happening now. I've been at the company for a month. Well, apparently my options grant just landed. I'll have to look at that after stream. My given name is Stunkfish. You have no proof. Right? Alright, we have to basically just keep trying this until it disconnects us again, because we have not yet seen the disconnect. Okay, it disconnected. Did it reconnect properly? Hey, let's fucking go. Okay. Seems easy enough. And if we kill it? Yeah, this is the like graceful shutdown stuff, isn't it? Yeah, isn't it? They've shut down. Yeah. Huh. Do 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 do. Let's go here. I guess that's where it was before. Loop is not defined. Loops, brother. Loop. Like get current event loop or whatever. Yeah. Do 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 do. Create task Koro. Okay, so in theory, if I start this now, and then I control C it. What? What? Why did we get a canceled error? Anthony's stealing our words and hosting them on this website? Yeah. Async or graceful shutdown, pick one? Yeah, right. I recommended 6 months lead time with lockdown slides to talk at a conference? Jesus. That's kind of nutty. Oh man, what the fuck is this? Does it always do this? This fucking sucks. It works fine there. Why does it work there? Probably because I only have one coroutine. Yeah, fucking async. Oh, I know why. Because we do some like this. Is that what it is? Oh no, we have the same code here. God damn it. It's probably because there's multiple coroutines. I don't know. I don't know. This shit sucks. Multiple croutons? Yeah, basically. clearly Googled this before. Is this what we're supposed to do? Doesn't feel right. Oh, I don't. In my website, I think I just handled the cancel there. Do you also have this weird shutdown thing, drainer, whatever? Oh god. I don't know why that went all fucky. Wait, how does this work? How is this? Oh. You wanna see something cursed, chat? See this code here? So this import, if I remember correctly, import the, yeah. This import here makes the global name A available. But of course, Flakeate's like, what the fuck are you doing? This makes no sense. Isn't this wonderful? Isn't this great? Thanks, I hate it. Yeah, it's pretty subtle and pretty fucked up. It makes a little bit more sense if you look at it like this. The module is made available because modules have all of, or packages have all of dotted names of all of their submodules. So that's why it works. But but it's also pretty pretty fucky. Hey, what's up, Gillian Whipson? Hello, hello. Deep Blue says, what is your IQ? I have no idea. 7? Is that a good IQ? I have no idea. I don't think I've taken an IQ test. Or if I have, it's been a long time. His IQ is number. No, it's float in, right? No, it's float inf. There we go. Can I start work on Python 4 and fix this import nonsense? Yeah. Somewhere between 0 and infinity? Well, fortunately, Fortunately, wait, that's false? I thought infinity... Really? Infinity is not less than infinity? I don't think they're equal either. What? This doesn't feel right according to whatever, right? If your net worth is over 10 million, then you can assume it's over 120. I don't think that's true. There's a lot of dumb fucking people that got their money from their parents. I just look at our previous president. People who boast about their IQs are losers. Stephen Hawking. Yeah, it's pretty good. I normally mean self-made people, but even when you talk about self-made people, that's not even necessarily that useful of a metric either, because, you know, the equivalent intelligence in one person doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to be equivalently successful, especially when you think about like the deeply rooted racism, sexism, and classism embedded into, you know, capitalism, America. Like a lot of, you know, a lot of success, even if it's not directly inherited, comes from some amount of those things, unfortunately. In tech, it's pretty accurate. I mean, I would say tech is further in the direction of being fair relative to most industries, but even in tech, there's a lot of sexism and a lot of racism. And I guess to some extent classism, because, you know, you kind of have to have a computer, and, you know, it's not something everyone can afford. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, I think, you know, maybe some of what you're saying has some amount of truth, or at least it it trends in that direction. Like I'm sure intelligence is useful for success, but it's not necessarily an indicator or a requirement. Anyway, sorry, didn't mean to go off on a tangent there. What the fuck was I doing? Oh, we were trying to get shutdown to work properly. Ugh. So what happens if I comment out the... Oh, I wanted to look at asyncio.run. That's what I was doing. Grep-r def run in this directory. This one, yes. If no event loop, not a coroutine. Okay, get loop. Oh, it's literally just run until complete and then cancel all tasks. Oh, well, I don't even need the bullshit that's in there, right? Because this is just canceling them as well. So I can just delete this code, maybe? Because this is essentially doing what that callback is doing, right? Comment. Maybe I should put a sleep here so it doesn't retry repeatedly. That loop is closed. Hmm. Hmm. Chat died. Yeah. Rip. F's in the chat for chat, I guess. Okay, so this is specifically what that shutdown code is for. I think it's mostly just to close the writer. Um Wait. Ignored tasks. If shutdown task is not none. What is this doing? On writer loop. Dude, fucking Windows. I don't know how that shutdown task is ever none. This should always be none, right? Because there's no other calls to shutdown. Unless add signal handler has special behavior. The callback will be invoked by loop, along with other queued callbacks and runnable coroutines of that event loop. Unlike signal handlers registered using signal, a callback registered with this function is allowed to interact with the event loop. Oh, so the code that I wrote for or that someone, I think a chatter do that, shouldn't be doing this. Raise value error if the single number is invalid or uncatchable. Raise runtime error if there's a problem. So I don't see how this is ever none. But let's just see what it is. Because maybe asyncio shoves a parameter in there and just doesn't document it. I wish I understood this stuff, but I don't. Okay, Control C. Shutdown task is none. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that can never be none. Citrus! Hello. Anthonky writes code. Yeah, chat does call me Anthonk a lot. That is I don't know where that's from, but it is what's happening now? Anthony is a Sigma Vim user? No? This isn't Vim. Where did you, this isn't Vim. That's also not Nano either. What editor is this? Yeah. I've yeah. Now it's Vim. You win this time, Moomy. It's Babby Baby. Yeah. Yeah, your Vimbits ends in 69. You haven't done one since. Damn, Silly Buttons is winning though. That's kind of crazy. Okay, so we know that that parameter doesn't do anything. Let's get rid of that parameter. Oh. Oh god. Oh no, what have I done? There we go. Some people are way more dedicated than bits. Yeah, yeah. Aren't you proud of me for holding back? Sure, we'll put it that way. Okay, shutdown task is not none. I don't even think we need to do this cancel all tasks thing. Oh, I think we can literally do this. Now it's unkillable. Okay, well, we don't want to do that. What? What? Oh, probably because I'm using asyncio to gather. So I know what I want to do. I probably want to send these in the background. Octavius! Thank you for the resub at 16 months. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Elvenrod says, I'm trying to explain to a colleague why return inside a finally block is silently swallowing exceptions, but I can't seem to find the words that click with their brain. Does someone know a good resource? You can, I mean, the easiest way to well, maybe not the easiest way. The actual way to show why it does it that way is to either show them the disassembly, where anytime you do a finally, you're always going to end up doing return value, and so it's going to override anything else that happens. Or what you can do is step through with a debugger. So if we raise ass, for instance, and we do debug f, we step into it. Oh. Okay, well. Shit. We need to actually do this. Step into it. You can step each line, see that it hits the raise, so it's raising an exception, but then it also runs the return one, so it returns the value and overrides the exception. So that might be the other way to talk about it. What's happening because only one of the active threads is catching the interrupt? So it's the reason it's happening is I'm using gather here, and so this coroutine is returned, but these ones run forever. So what I really need to do is get the loop and run these in the background. Use create task, I think it is. Because then when this main one exits, these will get canceled, which is what we want. Get event loop dot create task. Loop loops, brother. WebSocket server config messages. I think this is what I want to do instead. Yeah. No. Yay! It dies! Sick! Does this one work though? Bot K, that's the clue what I wanted. Don't send a chat message. Okay. Yeah, that one works too. Oh, that's interesting. This is a synchronous callback. Add signal handler callback. Weird. Weird. Okay, anyway, this seems to work. Who knows if it works on Windows, but who cares? Oh, we want to also add the reconnect code in here as well. If writer.is closing, then return. Otherwise, something like that. Should probably put a little sleep here. Yeah, 100 milliseconds is good enough, right? I'll do that. Who gives a shit, right? Are time.sleeps even allowed in async? Yeah, you're right. I would use AIO sleep rather than time.sleep. Oh, I forgot to continue. I wish there was a way to like reuse this chunk of code that I didn't have to do this. Well, I guess I could use an async for. Yeah, I could use an async for I don't know how to do that. Let's see. Uh, 100 milliseconds is not that much as someone working in game industry. It's a horrifying amount of time. Yeah. Well, I'm talking about like aggressively hitting a web API. How would I do this? Because we definitely need the writer. Maybe we would turn the writer and the generator. I don't even know the type for async generator. I don't think I've ever written one. Async generator. No? Oh, right. It's going to be in typing. What am I doing? Generator. Async generator. Yield type, send type. So it'd be stir, none. Looks like it's gonna be bytes? Bytes. It would be this and this. Hmm. I believe Twitch is removing friends. Dude, friends was such a creepy feature on Twitch. You could like watch whatever streams your friends were watching. Also, like, I'm pretty sure people just like sent friend requests to like random streamers and then creeped on them. I spent all this time to make friends and Twitch removes them. But like, could you imagine like being a creator and then like during your early stream days, like friend a bunch of people because you don't understand the feature, and then later on they just use that to creep on what you're watching? Like that seems kind of weird. I mean, it is kind of weird because my friends have already reached out to me and been like, "Oh, I saw you watching this Twitch stream," and I'm like, "Yeah." Unfriend. Like, you know, I saw you're watching porn. There's no porn on. Well, I mean, there's some borderline stuff on Twitch. But okay, I think this will work. Oh, you have to say this is bytes. Have you seen the hot tubs? Yeah, that's why I said like it's borderline. Hmm. Hmm. I don't watch hot tub streams. Not my jam. Cause like, look, if you wanted to get porn on the internet, there's a fuck ton of it. It's really easy to find. You don't need to get it on Twitch, unless you're in a country that bans that, I guess. Um, sounds more like an issue with judgmental friends than with Twitch features. Yeah, I don't know. Still think it's a little bit creepy, and I'm sure that they maintain a whole bunch of weird code and infrastructure just to support that. So that's why they're getting rid of it. But I don't know. I don't think. Well, you also look at the feature. Like, I don't think it actually drives. I don't think it drives revenue in any way, shape, or form. And it's not like there's other friend features other than DMs, and DMs are already like super abused. So I don't know. I think it's a good change. Uh, oh, what is this going to return now? Async generator bytes none, and then this will return. Do I need await? Dude, I don't fucking know. Let's see what my pie says. Any imported but unused. Closing task is assigned but never used. Writers defined in enclosing scope. Async generator is not defined. Argument one rec v has incompatible type async generator. Oh yeah. This is supposed to be just for data in async for data inline iter? Dude, I don't fucking know. Apparently? I guess that's cool. I guess that's cool. For data inline iter async for. Okay, so in theory that solves the reconnect issue. Can you send some messages in chat, make sure this thing's still working? Hey, nice. Hey, what's up, Hazard High? Hello, welcome. I got a message for you. It's beautiful. Is it Among Us cock? Is that what it is? Lead Geek, hello, welcome to the stream. Okay, we didn't actually solve the race, but we just made it reconnect instead. Disconnect server. Yeah, we solved this one. That's the same as the join race. Unless I don't know what this was supposed to be. Lead Geek, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So I guess heading out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you again. Have a good one. Lag? Yeah, there's... Oh, let's see what stream delay is like right now. Let's see. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3,000, 6. Holy shit. 7? At like 7.5 seconds of stream delay right now. That's pretty bad. It's not gonna look good on the overlay. Yeah, because it probably doesn't wrap in the right way. Wow, stream delay is pretty far behind right now for some reason. Kind of unfortunate. Oh yeah, how do new lines? How do the ASCII arts work in Twitch chat? Like how do they show a new line? Oh, I want ASCII art. This is an ASCII art. There we go. These nuts. What? Am I supposed to copy an extra new line or something? Click to copy pasta. Is it only for a particular window width? Yeah. It's only if your window is narrow, otherwise you just get nonsense. Yeah, so it's specifically designed for a particular window width. Yeah, so there's nothing we can do about that. I mean, it might show up properly in the overlay, it might not. Rikashim says, Anthony looks like he could be Amish. What does that mean? What? I could be Amish, but I'm streaming software development on twitch.television. Twitch.tuvalu. What? 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 I'm just going by looks, bro. I don't make the rules. I don't know how one looks Amish. I don't have a beard either. Not a requirement. But oh, let's do this since this matters for the sponsored stream. Plugins. Oh, I don't have the branch pushed for the Azure stream, do I? Or imports to minutes equals 1. We're gonna have to fix the bot for this stream as well, because I'm pretty sure that's the old code. Seconds. Oh wait, the Vim timer goes through that. So surely it works already. What could go wrong, right? Oh, it works. Okay. Didn't expect it to work, but that's fine, I guess. Funkfish says, just downloaded Jammy, wish me luck. Does this say show my... that's not what I was thinking, but yeah, basically. The bots in the stream always pick fights with me. What? My bot's not fighting you. Hi, Anthony writescode-vods, yeah. Okay, so I guess it does work. Oh, because it probably hard codes the color on the writing. Get printed output, yeah. This probably just puts... Yep. Yep. It just hard codes the color. Makes sense. Oh. Okay. Oh, I got rid of that thing at the bottom anyway. So it wasn't a problem, so we didn't fix it. I guess that's fair. Okay, let's see what of this we can factor out into separate commits. And we go from there. Bot main. I think we can do this as a separate commit. Oh, there's a whole bunch that happens in here. Yeah. Let's do the color stuff first. I don't know why I'm trying to be... Should I just yellow it all in one commit? I feel like I should do this the right way. Color, message color property. Get checkout dash P overlay in bot main and bot message. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. Nope. Nope. No. Split. Yes. No. Yes. No. Import #lib, import struct. Okay. Okay, that seems to work. Add color property to message. We'll just commit that directly to main. Okay. Let's do this one next. Add all badges. Add all valid badges function. Oh, it upgraded pipe grade. That's why it used my push. That makes sense. Okay, push that up. Rebase again. This one I want to refactor further, so we're not going to pull that in yet. But I should do the graceful shutdown thing. And the /me. That's the new overlay stuff. Okay, check out -p. Overlay in bot main. Yes. What do we have here? This gets moved down, that's fine. That all looks good. Yes. No. Yes. Yep. Okay, so big old patch here. Let's see what Preakman has to say about things. Okay. Make sure the bot still works. Y'all are real quiet in chat today. The vector out connection to a separate function. We're just in awe of these git commits. What? How did I possibly conflict with myself? Are ya fucking me? These are exactly the same. How the fuck? These are exactly the same. What? How is this a merge conflict? These hunks are exactly identical. Note to self, don't open Azure SDK Python repo. It's been a long time, but not long enough. Try again, but longer this time. Yeah. If this, you are left to right. What I did here. They're identical. You're left, right? What? I don't think I've ever seen that before. Where the conflict was literally the same on both sides. No, you're left, right. Okay. That's super weird. Maybe try diff-my. Yeah. Okay, so next is this /me stuff. Git apply dash p overlay inbot main. No, get checkout. Inbot main, inbot message. Yes, 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 yes. A bug and get probably. It wouldn't be the first time. Oh, that's not right. Oops. Message S is not defined. Be parsed. You also testing with me, DNelsp? Is working now? Let's make sure it still works with images though. You're trying to beat me with the lag? Oh, I see. Something tells me it didn't reconnect properly. Oh god. The reconnect code doesn't work. Can't kill him. Oh man. We're gonna pretend like it works. No we're not. Oh, I know why. This doesn't do the whole this stuff. It needs to do all of this again. Yeah. So that's the problem. No binding for non-local reader writer. Oh. Oh god, what? Coroutine. Oh. Oh, wait. Ritter. I'm losing Steam chat. Okay. Good call. Confused SC. Oh, you beat me that time. Okay, so that's working, but now we gotta get it to reconnect. Never fails when I want it to. Piece of shit. Is there not a way to simulate a connection error? No, if there was a way... If I knew how to fix the connection error, I would just... not have it. Well, what happened here? I must have raced with the Terminator. Task exception was never retrieved. Derp. Yeah, exactly. Please, please, just for once. Oh, well, for twice. Okay, now if we send a message, yay, it works. Okay. Click. Ah, the feed cache. Fix reconnection. Actually, log in. Hey. Ah. Handle /me in message directly. Okay, so now this should just be that one property in emotes which I want to fix, and then the actual overlay code. Okay. That's pretty good. But I think it's time to wrap up for today. Let me restart this, make sure this is still working. It's not sleepy time quite yet, but it is. We got some stuff done. We have more stuff to do, but yeah, we'll do this another day. But yeah, let me do my little spiel, and then we'll find a channel to send you off to with these nuts. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Yeah, anyway, check out those. If you missed any part of the stream and you want to catch up on content, I upload my stream VODs to my second channel, which you can find here. Subscribe to either of those if those interest you. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. However, today is a Tuesday, so as you can tell, some days I stream on other days. And I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I talk about what I'm going to do, and then we try and do it. And we kind of did this today. The other is the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. It's a nice little community. There's a bunch of fun social channels, as well as programming channels where you can ask questions, and a bunch of smart people can answer those for you. Pseudo beat me to sleepy time. This is legit. Oh, you have a living room camera? That's cool. That's cool. Night night, Pseudo. Alright, but yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.